anything. This 3 hours, can you imagine you were here for 3 hours without even watching your watch for 3 hours? It went just smoothly like that. I have felt NLP in so many situations. As a teacher, as a parent, as a co-partner, as everything. You can feel NLP in every session. There's a lot of scope where you can improve. As a teacher, in a better way. As a parent, handling our children. That's what I wanted to involve my children also into this as a child with you. Because every aspect is there in this session that we're coming out. We have some rigidities without knowing ourselves. We have small rigidities which inhibits us not coming out. We don't know it actually. So taking out small rigidities, we actually better ourselves. That's what I have felt about NLP, the best program till now I've seen it. I really felt it. The first moment when you spoke to me actually over the phone, I could realize this feeling. Okay. Not only here, she spoke to me over the phone about this session around 15 days back. Then from her voice I could feel this because she told, we can attend any personality development programs, we hear it and we forget it. That is actually true. But the way she spoke to me, I can feel the words that she went to the core of our lives, inner person, where we actually have to change, to bring the change outside. That's what I have felt, the voice also from your voice. Really ma'am, appreciated that. Then I thought, yes, this program has to come to the college, not only for training as a teacher, for betterment of a person. We have to be better persons. Then only we can change our lifestyles, our family lifestyles, our children, every aspect can be changed just because of NLP. That's what I have felt about NLP. Thank you for this program.
Thank you so much.
Right. I have my experience. So when we scold some student, they will hurt very bad. And we never remember we used that. And they will come to you and there is some, I have an experience of that. And now I have changed. I am not scolding like anything. I'm not scolding. I am not scolding. But the student, so like we are the drivers. If you drive the car safely, the student will also will come to a destination in a right way. I am having that experience because I am having 100% result with PCT 1 and 2. So that but sometimes you have to be rigid, but you don't have to give all the things to in a light way. You don't have to be. You have to be rigid in some ways, and you have to leave the student in some ways, so that the student will come in right.
We know that somebody is late from now. Thank you.
Actually, I enjoy teaching. The way how I behave today is the way how I behave every day during my classes. But sometimes even when the class is going on and then students are not listening properly, or one or the other student may be like that. So at that time, I used to get short temper. But by this session, I now decided I should reduce my short temper.
That's nice.
I should make the students enjoy still more.
Yes. So that is the later part of the session.
I thank Mr. Krishna and Mr. Radha and their teammates. It's a really good experience for each one of us. We got lot of questions, we got lot of answers also. And part of these things, even we also keep telling in staff meetings or in the classroom also, we do a lot. And mistakes also we do double than what we do, right? So such sessions will definitely give an ample scope for us to improve. And I was waiting for certain other things which they did not tell in this particular session. Maybe afterwards they will tell. Is that about? Lot of faculty are there who have missed out today, and lot of us definitely are interested in getting the training from the team. Faculty as well as students also will definitely be interested. and B, it will definitely be benefited. So we are interested in telling them that they will get benefited. So that part, when and how and what will be the course of this NLP training sort of things, which will go a long way. And even one personal experience also is that I didn't get an answer at home for one particular question repeatedly posed by my wife. Is, no purchase no. Especially I got two kids, 9th class and 4th class. That younger kid, she says no purchase no. Even he also says daddy purchase no. I am very good, but daddy purchase no. Few things I got answers to the question. And like that I am telling, some are not telling, but definitely such sessions are really very interesting and will be a lot of change from our routine, taking classes. And I appreciate Ajay also. He has been scolding the students very badly. That's what the feedback I get from the students. So, like that, every faculty will improve from such sessions.